Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Mags here, coming at y'all with another market review. Today's October 3rd, 2024, and we finally were disciplined today. So, coming into the market, I was bearish. Here's my 15-minute view. I could give y'all the 15-minute view of what I saw at 9:30. This was it at 9:30. This is the end of 9:30 candle. So, y'all can see it does look pretty bullish. But we had this gap that hadn't been touched with liquidity sitting under it. Um, and we had this previous day high as well. Um, so I was aiming to be bearish in the session because of this huge range here. I mean, look at us, we're ranging really hard in between this range. So I was initially bearish. So let's jump into the live price action. So as y'all can see, when I took my entry, we had took previous day high and immediately closed under 50% on this fair value gap here after sweeping all that liquidity up here, plus any more above the previous day high. So let's jump into a smaller time frame. This candle is when the 15 minutes started dropping and closed below right here. This is where it closed. It's 10:15. From there, I wanted a better risk to reward on my trade, so I did not enter off of just the gap, as I did not see that as enough. Not that I didn't see it as enough risk to reward, because I did want previous day low, but I didn't see it as enough enough risk to reward leading to this 15-minute bullish gap here that was created earlier in the session. So we came in, we took previous day high and immediately rejected hard. From there, we made a bullish gap inside of this bearish one. And as you can see, we inverted that gap right there. Inverted the gap, and that's when I pressed the button right here. And this candle. When this one closed, I pressed the button here. And as you can see, literally 2 minutes. Right to the 7:30 and midnight price where they were sitting together. So, in all, let me put this closer so y'all can see. So, this is the 15-minute bearish gap. You can see it closed. What I was looking for is an inversion. We got the inversion. I could have put my stop here, which I did. Or I could have put it here, expecting a breakaway gap. Because look how big that candle is. Displacing there's a lot of bearish movement in this candle right here, the 1 minute candle. Upon coming into the gap, I wanted to short in the gap somewhere, but I got a little better risk to reward ratio when we inverted it and put my stop right here. That's pretty much it. I just had to wait for previous day high to get taken. I did want to go bullish to previous day high, but I missed it right here with this inversion. There's another move that I really liked, but that I just hesitated on right here. So you can see we tapped into this gap, pushed away, 9:30 came, swept liquidity, and immediately just pushed out of it. Right here would have been the buy and this opening, and your targets just vary at that point. I would have went for these highs. But other than that, that's pretty much it. We caught a nice 70 points, if I'm not mistaken. Like 80 points, actually. Yeah. Literally 80 points on the dot we caught. It was an awesome trade. It was bread and butter. Bread and butter setup right here. But this will be it for today's review, guys. If you have any questions, please let me know. I had a 1.62 R on the trade. I was risking $99, which is more on the higher side for one contract for my trades, but I respected the risk and I went for the trade. And guys, that was pretty much it. if I would have still lost the trade, I probably would have went on tilt and probably long this here. But yeah. So other than that, guys, hope you guys have a wonderful day and peace.